Hey everyone, I'm Brian Glasgow. I'm a senior product manager at ClickBank, and this is...
Hi, I'm Lauren Lee, the Senior E-commerce Business Development Manager here at ClickBank, and we're so excited to talk to you about
our brand new Shopify integration.
We're so excited to share with you this news. What you're probably wondering first is there an additional cost? And I want to share with you that this is completely free. Our Shopify integration with ClickBank is free and in your account now for you to begin your integration steps.
That's right. Yeah, the new Shopify integration syncs physical, digital orders, and customer data over to Shopify without requiring a third-party integration.
And that's super exciting. So for anybody who's currently on ClickBank and you're using Shopify as your backend for your business, now you can sync the two. All that order data, customer information is going to come directly from ClickBank over to your Shopify store. It is super exciting. So this is super exciting. And if you're watching this and you are a Shopify store owner not already partnered with ClickBank, now you can. You can join ClickBank, integrate your Shopify store, and leverage the power of affiliates.
Yeah, what we found when we talked to our existing customers and our prospects is that there was one single pain point, and that is if Shopify is your single source of truth, that managing your products and your customers and your orders was going to be difficult between the two systems. So we really wanted to tackle that single pain point and make sure that we were able to do it with speed and really prioritize that over anything else.
That's super exciting. Thank you, Brian, and thank you to your team for all the hard work that you guys have been doing. So it sounds like this integration allows ClickBank users to take their order data and customer data over to Shopify. What other types of features does this allow our ClickBank users to do?
Yeah, the first one I can think of is we actually get to batch your upsell flow orders. And this has been something that's been requested a long time on ClickBank. We finally get to do that in our integration. So we know that upsell flows are difficult for physical sellers to batch into a single fulfillment. So we get to do that for you in the sync. And that way we can prevent any shipping problems that occur.
That's awesome. How about managing inventory? How does this integration help you do that?
Yeah, we know your fulfillment center is tied into Shopify, so we actually help manage your quantities through Shopify as ClickBank orders are synced.
Okay, another sticking point that we know ClickBank users have is around refunds. So how does this integration help with that?
Yeah, we know that nothing can change on the refund side with customer support ticketing. But what we've done is made sure that every refund in ClickBank gets synced automatically to Shopify. So you're not worrying about your status of your order and making sure that those two match as fulfillment events occur.
That's a huge win. And I know a lot of people will be really excited about that. And what about, I know Shopify has like that option where you can send branded shipping information and notifications. Does this integration allow ClickBank users to do that as well?
Yeah, it's really up to the seller. They'll be able to choose to keep their own branded emails that come out of Shopify or to use ClickBank's branded emails.
Okay, so those benefits are super exciting. And I know a lot of people are like, how do I get started? What do I need to do? And so you need three things. One, you need an active account on ClickBank. You need an active Shopify store, and your products in ClickBank need to be approved.
I'm here to show you how to sync orders to Shopify. First, you'll notice a new button in your My Products page in your ClickBank account labeled Shopify API. Let's click that. Scrolling down this page, you'll see that we need some information from you, from your Shopify store. We'll need your access token and your domain name. Let's go grab that. So now I'm in my Shopify store. You'll want to go to the Apps section in your main navigation, Apps and Sales Channel Settings, and you'll want to develop an app. Let's create one. And we recommend that we name this app your nickname. All right, the next step is to configure admin API scopes. This will make sure we have the appropriate permissions to both read and write order data and see your product catalog. In this case, we can search for order, click both read and write, search for product, and read products. Again, this will help us see your product catalog for later product connections. Click Save and Install. It's here that you'll find your access token. We can copy and paste it, go back to your ClickBank account, paste it into your Shopify access token field, For this next step, you'll want to find your unique Shopify domain. That's found on the same page in Shopify under your store settings. We'll copy the first part of your domain, since that is the one that's unique to you, and paste that back into your ClickBank account. Scrolling down, you'll find some additional settings here, such as being able to decrement inventory, be able to use shipping notifications and confirmation emails, and syncing refunds with Shopify, which is a highly requested feature, and recommend keeping this on for your integration. Once all the settings are saved as you prefer, you can test your integration. Once you see the success message, you'll be able to go back to Shopify and within seconds, find a test order. The test order gives you the confidence that the integration has been successful. And now we can actually go view some of our order data. In your Shopify order invoice details, you'll find ClickBank information such as your batch ClickBank orders over in the notes section. You'll see which ClickBank item has synced over to your Shopify order. Really, the hope here is providing a paper trail back to ClickBank and the things that originate there. You'll also find down in the customer information panel that we've saved them as a customer. You'll be able to access them in your customers section in your Shopify store. All right, now let's go complete the second step of your Shopify integration. You can save and go back to your product table. This is where the second step will ask that you connect your ClickBank products to your Shopify SKUs. So if you have your approved products ready, you can go to a new option in your product row here labeled Shopify Connection. On this page, this is where we have that access to your product catalog. This will ensure that ClickBank orders that sync to Shopify will be able to track and sync with your physical SKUs or digital SKUs wherever you fulfill them out of Shopify. We'll select the product. We know that quantities are often used on ClickBank, so you can input a quantity. Click Save. It's that simple. Once you've completed all your product connections in ClickBank to your Shopify SKUs, you have your final and third step, which is going back to your integration settings, and now you'll notice that you can activate the integration. Click this button, and we're all good to go. The integration is complete, and the next order placed on ClickBank will sync to Shopify.
Brian, thank you so much for that demo.
Yeah, not a problem. Anytime.
So if you're excited and want to get started, you can go ahead and check out our step-by-step guide and additional resources at ClickBank.